All right, everybody, pay attention to this one. Let me help those individuals who are insisting they are going to use their Trust Wallet for this project. So all you need to do is this. Watch what I'm doing here. I'll locate my Trust Wallet. Okay. Open and unlock. Then I'm going to be using this particular wallet now for the sake of this tutorial. So what I will do is I will locate this section here. Okay. Tap on it. Then I'll search ARB. Sorry. ARB. All right. So when I search for ARB, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 options. RB. Fine. Now this is one I want you to enable. This is ETH Arbitrum. Okay, ETH Arbitrum. So what you need to do is you need to toggle this thing on. You need to turn it on. Okay. So turn it on, then go back. All right. Then what the next thing you need to do is tap on that ARB, that's Ethereum. Okay, tap on it. This is it here. I'll tap on it now. Tap on it. Then I'll tap on receive. Tap on receive. Then click here to copy the address. Okay, click there to copy the address. Copy. Then send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, send that address which you just copied now, send it to me on WhatsApp. Then I'll fund you. Then when I fund you, that link which I gave to you on the WhatsApp group, come to this browser here. Come to this browser. Tap on browser. Then come to this section and paste it. Okay, you paste it here. Okay, you paste, you click and then paste. Guys, I'm talking about the add-on, I'm not talking about the wallet too. You paste that wallet ad, you paste that link. Okay, you paste that link. Hold on, let me quickly go back to the WhatsApp group and then copy the link and show you how to connect it. Okay. All right. So this is the link here. This is the link from Avive post on Twitter. So just click on copy this link. Copy the link. Then go to that same Trust Wallet which you are using. Okay, that particular wallet you are using. Then on this browser section here, paste it and then search. Okay, so this is how to enable ARB Ethereum wallet on Trust Wallet. Okay, how to connect your Avive profile on same Trust Wallet. So now that it has opened up here, the next thing you need to do is to click on this login. Okay, you have to log in first before coming here. First of all, log in. Okay, log in first. So when you click on login, it will tell you to enter your what? Your Avive account email address. For example, let's assume I have not minted my own. I am going to type in my email address, which I use in creating that Avive. Okay, so for those of you who have not started mining Avive, first of all, create Avive. Start mining Avive first. Then enter that your email here. When you enter your email, click on this send OTP. Immediately you click on this send OTP. OTP will be sent to your email box. Then you copy that email box, that OTP, and then come and paste it here. When you paste it here, then you click on submit. So immediately you click on submit. Now this login button here will now change to connect. So you have to click on it, and when you click on it, then you are going to approve the connection of the wallet. Okay, you're going to click and then approve the connection of the wallet because it's not automatic. It's manual. You have to sign. Okay, you have to sign to connect the wallet. Then from there you can continue whatever thing you are doing. It's as simple as that. Okay, I'm doing this for those of you who are new that are insisting that you must use Trust Wallet for this project. Okay, so this is how you enable your Ethereum Arbitrum One wallet on Trust Wallet. Then send it to me. I'll send your gas fee to you. Then you continue. Simple. The link to this minting is below this video. So click and sign up. You're welcome.